Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I started a lip gloss company and I wanted to show you how I sanitize everything, like countertops, things like that. So first off, I'm just going to show you like a little overview. But the first thing is that 91% isopropyl alcohol. I don't use anything less than that. I try to get 99%. And what I do is I use that, and I use Lysol wipes, counter wipe, and to clean off the counter and things like that. The alcohol I use to sanitize like the syringes after they come in the mail, as well as everything for the tubes. So I don't dilute it. I actually let the caps and like the lip applicator portion sit overnight in the alcohol, not just spray it, not just a little bit. Like, I am making sure this stuff is clean. And I fill up the glass bowl with alcohol for the syringes and the tubes themselves and let them soak in the. This is a MAC bottle, but what I did is I took all of the product was all used up, so I put some alcohol in there so I can use that as a quick spray, just to spray my hands down with alcohol. And then I use a very thick plastic on top of the counter after the counter has been wiped down with a Lysol wipe, and then I also spray the plastic as well, and I replace it every single time. So let's just make sure, like, clean. And I also wear black gloves when I'm processing, lip glosses and making lip glosses, because you want to be as clean as humanly possible, especially with everything going around. So I even wear a mask, honey. Like, I don't play no games. But make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.